Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to edit stats in GameChanger. So if you enter the wrong score, player statistic or game information, just follow along. First, open the GameChanger app and go to your team. Next, open the game where you want to edit the stats, and after that, go to the game recap or scoring section. Then find the play score or player stat you want to change. Then tap on the information and edit the incorrect details. You can update things like hits, runs, outs, pitching stats, and other game information depending on your sport. And after making changes, save the updated stats. The app will update the game information and player statistic eventually. And you need to keep in mind that some editing option may only be available to the team staff or admins. So that was how to edit stats in GameChanger. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.